Hi, Year 11. You're watching this video because you are once again in a lockdown situation. I've chosen Expand and Simplify, Collect and Like Terms as a skill that I feel you guys will greatly benefit from during this revision period. Right, so just as a quick recap, here are explanations for algebraic expression, formula, equation, and identity. What I would like you to do first of all is press pause and read these. Now you've read them and you've refreshed your memory on what they are, your very first task is to identify from this grid which of these are expressions, identities, formula, and equations. Once again, press pause and in a moment the answers will appear. How did you do? Right, okay, so the very first thing we're going to have a look at is expand and simplify, collect and like terms. So, as you can see here, we're doing minus 4 times 2m, which is minus 8m. Then we're looking at minus 4 times minus 3. Now, minus times a minus is a plus. 3 times 4 is 12n. What we can also do is we can rearrange this so that we've got the positive first, so we've got 12n minus 8m. Next thing we're going to look at is simplifying. We have 2a plus 3b minus a minus b. So, first of all, breaking them down into the 4 separate parts, and we're going to make sure that the sign is in front of them. You can see there that we've got 2a, take away a, leaves us with 1a, and 3b, take away another b, will leave us with 2b. That's a positive 2b. Here, we've got to expand our brackets, and then we're going to collect the like terms. So we've got to start off with the 2a, then minus 3 times a will give us a minus 3a, and minus 3 times minus b will give us a positive 3b, and then we've got 4b on the end. Now we've got our 4 components, we can collect the things which are the same. So, by putting it into a grid and taking the 4 components with the signs in front, we can say we've got 2a, add 3a, take away 3a, sorry, which would be minus a, and then a 3b, add 4b, which will give us a positive 7b. It's now your turn to have a go at the ones on the right, using the example on the left. Press pause so that you can work it through. Right, so what we're going to do now is we're going to use this as a pyramid. So we're still going to be collecting like terms. So looking at the first one, right, in this red box, we can see that we've got the 2 blocks underneath. So we've got a 5x and a minus 4y and an x and a plus y. We collect our x's together first. 5x and x will give us 6x. Minus 4y, add y, will give us a minus 3y. Now, the 2 boxes to the right, we're going to have a plus x plus y and a 7x add 2y. Once again, if we break them up into the component parts, including the signs, we can see we've got x add 7x, which will give us 8x, and y plus 2y, which will give us a positive 3y. Now we're on to our third layer. So we've only got 2 boxes beneath this to collect our like terms from. So we can see we've got a 6x, a minus 3y, an 8x, and a plus 3y. 6x add 8x is 14x, and minus 3y plus 3y cancels each other out. So we've no need to do anything else with them. Okay, so 14x is our final answer. Now that we've done this question, on the next page, This question is available for you to double check, and as you can see, there are lots more questions for you to practice. Once you've done the 8 that are available, make some of your own and then collect the like terms and see how you do with them. Press pause now. Okay, so earlier in the video we looked at expanding brackets. Here are some questions for you to complete on expanding brackets. Now, we have 20 questions and 20 answers. So all your answers for each question are in the answer grid on the right hand side, and this is a good way of checking that you've got the answer right because it's there in the grid. Complete this by pressing pause now. Here are the answers for collect and like terms. How did you do? Hope you did well. Let me know by Show My Homework how you did on this. And here are the answers for the collect and like terms. So what I've done is on the left hand side I've labelled them A through to T, and on the right hand side you can match up the answers, so A goes with A. I hope you did well. Any problems, message me via Show My Homework, let me know. That's the end of this presentation. There are plenty of opportunities to revise via Hegarty Maths. I will be setting extra work on there for you should we require it. Okay, thank you very much.